In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a site on Netlify. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up and complete the registration process before continuing. Next, click Add New Site and select Import an existing project if your website is stored on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Connect your Git provider if prompted, then choose the repository you want to deploy. Now, review the build settings. If Netlify automatically detects your framework, the build command and publish directory will be filled in for you. If necessary, update these settings to match your project's configuration. After that, click Deploy Site and wait while Netlify builds and publishes your website. The deployment process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your project. Once it's complete, Netlify will provide a live URL where your website is available online. Finally, open the live URL to test your website. If you make changes to your project and push them to your connected Git repository, Netlify can automatically deploy the latest version of your site, making future updates quick and easy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy a site on Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.